Cordillera is a beautiful region, but if we are to be visited by blind visitors, how will you make them appreciate the beauty of our region? Again, Cordillera is a beautiful region, but if we are to be visited by the blind visitors, how will you make them appreciate the beauty of our region?
Thank you so much for that question. If we ever were visited by blind tourists, I think they will feel Baguio. As Baguio, part of the Cordillera, most of the Cordillera, with this Baguio's tagline, Breathe Baguio. When blind people visit Baguio, they will feel the freshness of the air here in Baguio City. That's why it's the tagline, Breathe Baguio. And the other tourist spot, which is my hometown, which is the Sagada, which we also have a tagline, which is Feel Sagada. Since they are blind, their other senses are enhanced, so they will hear the tweets of the birds, the breeze of the air, and the freshness and coldness of the water. Thank you.
And there you have it, candidate number 4.
You make them appreciate the beauty of our region.
Thank you for that question. If we were visited by blind visitors, I believe the best way to make them feel the beauty and the experience of Cordillera is to help them, to care for them. That even though that they are blind, we treat them as equal with each other. Because that is the type of people Cordillera are. That would be all. Thank you.
It's a beautiful region, but if we are to be visited by blind visitors, how will you make them appreciate the beauty of our region?
Thank you for the question. If we were to be visited by blind visitors, and when I say blind, I mean those with stereotypes, it would be important to show them the true spirit of the Cordilleran people, showing integrity and our values, to show them our unity as one people of the region. And I believe that if we show them these values, they will open their eyes and change their stereotypes. Thank you.
I repeat, Cordillera is a beautiful region, but if we are to be visited by blind visitors, how will you make them appreciate the beauty of our region?
If I have a blind tourist, and it is indeed that Cordillera is a beautiful region, we have our tangible and intangible culture. The tangible culture is the things that we see and the things that we taste. If I were to introduce that blind person, he or she will taste our food, he or she will experience our culture, he or she will hear our dance, he or she will be experiencing our song. So if I were to introduce him to our culture, and that is to experience the things that he or she can. That's all. Thank you so much.
Again, Cordillera is a beautiful region, but if we are to be visited by blind visitors, how will you make them appreciate the beauty of our region?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Cordillera. As a proud son of Cordillera, of course, I want to highlight our story, our stories of our ancestors. And given that our province offers a rich culture and heritage and destination, one that I will champion is my advocacy, which is preserving roots, embracing identity. From this simple way, we can show that we are resilient, Cordillera, and from that, our visitor that doesn't just appreciate the beauty of Cordillera, but it will leave a